Hello, happy Wednesday. I really think I know I keep saying this, but I really think you're going to enjoy this lesson again today. It is very straightforward. It will help you to grow in argumentation. It will be extremely helpful, I believe, for your test and future writing that you do. I really appreciate what she has listed here for you, and I believe also in underneath in the section below that the resources that you can print out. She probably has this same slide where she gives excellent, pointed, specific definitions for each part of an argument. We talked about these. We looked at Purdue OWL online, but this is a great resource where she literally very specifically defines the nuances between these points in a argument. And she adds concession, and I just dumped a video where I went on and on about this. So I'm just going to leave it. I am sure you can figure out, concession is important. Our society expects that that piece, and so I will leave it at that. And I'm just making sure I'm still recording here. Yes, I am, because sometimes when I move the YouTube video, it stops recording. So here we go. I also wanted to point out this 16.15. By the way, I saw that in your practice prompt that we had the issue of, billions of years ago, but I don't think I need to get into that. I know that you know that will be part of parts of education. Okay, and I know that just cut out at some point. I don't have time to go back. It's because I'm trying to pause and unpause this YouTube video to get to Spot. So sorry for whatever blurriness was there. But anyway, let's move on. The other thing I wanted to say is this is going to be a great list for you to have because you are going to have to consider all of the points of view. I have to look more carefully into what you are able to have by you while you write. But whether you have to memorize this and the other page that I just showed you, or whether you can actually kind of compile a notebook right now of resources that you can consider, this is just going to be something that's helpful for you. Okay. And then the other thing I wanted to mention was she talks about the thesis statement later on here. And I know I believe she's going to get more in depth on thesis statements. Maybe I'm wrong. But anyway, I like what she has to say just about that they need to be complex. And so she gives some really, here it is. I'm sorry that took me so long, but she gives some very good examples of just deeper, more complex thesis statements that set up for a strong argumentative paper. And I think you really know how to do that. So I'm kind of just having a equal conversation with you here on just appreciating what she has to say about this and these examples. Okay, and that is all that I need to say. You have a wonderful day. I did read your day 4 prompt, or the answer to the prompt, and I need to respond some more on it, but it is looking really good. Your content is looking very good. You just keep up this good work and keep comparing your answers to the answers that these teachers are providing, because of course they've got a much greater source of former students and products than I would have to show you. So this is just really a godsend. He is so good to us. He is our provider, and I'm praising him today. I hope you are as well. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.